Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Deep fried turkey. Hope I don't catch myself on fire. It's a 17-pound turkey. Peanut oil only. Drop it in slow. If there's any moisture in the chicken, it'll come out now, but don't just put it in like a half an inch. And do this outside, not in your house. I'm running back. It's been about 58 minutes. I'm about to pull this turkey out, 17 pounds. But first I'm gonna turn off the fire. Fire's off in case it splashes. You won't catch yourself on fire. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that sucker. If you don't cook your turkey this way, you're missing out. Look at this bad boy. Now I just want to make sure that we get a little bit of the grease. You know? We don't want to carry that. We don't want to carry that with us. So just poke a few holes in there. Look at that sucker. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment if you want to see some new material. Thank you, Chef David Jalbert.